Paragraph number 3. During the perilous journey, it was very difficult for anyone to supply food to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was so delicate that the slightest mistake could have endangered the life of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Perilous means dangerous, delicate means slight, sensitive, and slightest mean the little, minor. Endangered means put in danger. So this grand task was nicely undertaken by Hazrat Asma R.A, anhu, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Ta'ala anhu. Every night with a pack of food, she would quietly venture towards the rugged mountains in which lay the cave of Saur. She took care of the minute detail in accomplishing the task. How difficult it must have been for her to traverse the rocky path at night with the constant fear of being detected. So, first of all, note it down the difficult meanings. Venture means undertake a risky task. Rugged means rough mountain. Minute means slightest. And accomplishing means completing. Traverse, it means passed over. And the very last word of this paragraph number 3 is detected, which means observed. So, in the third paragraph, we come to know that this journey was very difficult. Perilous means difficult. And it was very difficult for them, for anyone, to supply food to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And what was the reason? Because the chief of the tribes or the tribal chief were constantly searching them out in every nook and corner. The tribal chief was constantly searching Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. And this was the reason they were very afraid and they were searching them out. Because if a person goes over there, would be caught and put the life in danger of the one and of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. It was really very sensitive situation. It was really very difficult time. And a minor mistake, a slightest mistake could endanger the life of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this very task was successfully done by whom? Yes, Hazrat Asma R.A. anhu. And how did she perform it? Every night she went to that risky place. And what was the risky place? Definitely where Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu were hiding. And the name of the place was Cave of Saur. So that was very risky for Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu ta'ala anha to go over there and supply food. So she put the food on the back of the camel daily, on the daily basis, and supplied food to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. And it was really very difficult path that she used to go over there at night. At the same time, she has the constant fear, having the constant fear of being seen, being caught, or observed by the chief of the tribes or the tribal heads. So this was the reason that she constantly having the threats or the fear that she may be caught, and if she is going to be caught, Definitely, the life of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razi Allah Ta'ala anhu would be in danger.